So back in the RetroPie main menu, after installing Wi-Fi, setting up overclocking and the display resolution, now it's time to install the Arcade Bonnet software, which I'm going to do from the command prompt using instructions from Adafruit website. To get to the command prompt quickly from RetroPie main menu, you can just press F4 and get to the console like this. And then I'm gonna follow the installation instructions and get the Arcade Bonnet setup script from GitHub. Oh, forgot the master branch repository. Oh, there's the whole URL. ro.github-content.com/adafruit/raspberry-pi-installer-scripts/master/arcade-bonnet.sh. That's quite a long URL to type. Okay, let's download it and hope I get it. Yes. And now it's time to execute it using bash and sudo. And this will start the Arcade Bonnet setup. It explains what it does. There's quite a bunch of requisite files and libraries that it needs, and it also says that there's another additional script that I need to run for the audio, and this will take about 10 minutes total, so I think I will fast forward over the installation as soon as I get it started. But let's look at the first step. So I want to confirm to continue. Yes. Do I want to disable overscan? Yes, I do want to do that. That helps with my small mini display on my console. So I'll answer yes. And then it asks if I want to install GPIO halt utility. This would allow a user GPIO pin to shut down the system automatically. I don't need that, so I'm going to say no. And that's about the choices I have to do, and then I can continue with the installer. So I'll say yes, and yes, it started downloading the libraries it needs, and this will take some time, so I'm going to fast forward over to the installation, and once it's done, let's continue with the audio setup. Okay, so the installation was done. Actually, it went faster this time because I already did this step before running this video once, so I already got the packages. But this is basically how it goes. And now it just asks if I want to reboot so the changes can take effect. But there was the audio setup script that I need to do, so I'm gonna say no and just continue with the audio script setup. That's a similar process. I need to run a script from GitHub user content /adafruit, and I'm gonna just curl it like before. So bear with me when I type in the URL. Same base URL, but then the script under the master directory is called i2samp.sh, and this time I'm gonna just try to pipe it directly to as soon as I find the pipe character there it is, to bash. So this is actually downloaded and executed at the same time. Okay, let me check once more the URL. ro.github-content.com/adafruit/raspberry-pi-installer-scripts/master/arcade-bonnet. Because I mistyped and retrieved from my command history, I need to correct it. So it was i2samp.sh. That is the correct script for audio. Okay, now I'm ready to do it. And one more problem. I also needed to change this flag here from -O to small s, lowercase s and uppercase s. So this is to allow the script to run directly when it's downloaded. Okay, now it should be correct. There we go. Okay, it explains that it will install everything needed to use the I2S amplifier. Also warns about the scripts downloaded from the internet. Okay, fine. I'm following the Adafruit instructions here, so I do wish to continue to get this done. And that was actually quite much quicker. But I need to reboot, and now it's really time to do it, so we can check that everything is okay after these changes. So let's reboot, and let's also fast forward over this reboot again to get back to the verifying that the Arcade Bonnet installation went okay. And I'm back at the RetroPie main menu after reboot, and now there's a final step to be completed according to the Adafruit instructions, again using command prompt. So I'm again pressing F4, and the setup instructions say that for the audio I'll just have to repeat the last step that I did to run the i2samp.sh. So let's do that. And again the same warning. Aha, and this time now the sound output has been configured, and I can test the amplifier. And in order to do so, I'm gonna put my mic close to the my console, so hopefully we can see, or we can hear the test sounds. It will output now, so just a minute. And let's continue.
Front, left, front, right, front, left, front, right, front, left, front, right, front, left, front, right, front, left, front, right.
So the Arcade Bonnet setup is complete. Audio and the input control drivers have been set up, and next I'm gonna actually put my Phat Pocket Arcade on top of the monitor so both can be seen on the same time, and we'll continue after that by setting the key mapping for Arcade Bonnet buttons and thumbstick. So let me take a short pause here.